There you go. Now you can see it. Split straight down
Over
the
here,
middle
you
there.
got pretty.
All right, let's see here.
Pretty much down to the bottom.
Yeah. Whoop. Top's missing too. There goes the Osada-san. You can see the top has completely like fragmented into tons of little pieces like this. So it's hard to tell from here, but you can actually see these are different sections. Looks like a whole tree, but as you can see, it's actually all cracked in many different places up here. So we stuck these belts on to keep it from just splitting anymore while we're working here. Look at that, that's it. It's all split and cut now. Woo!
The lack of that tree kind of ruins their privacy on this side of the house.